In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite crashing on a PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple solutions that you can follow on your PC to fix Fortnite crashing while playing or not launching properly. So first, I'm gonna close down the game, and what we're gonna be doing is heading over to the Epic Games Launcher. In here, there is a very simple solution that you should always try first before moving on to anything else. So on your library, find Fortnite, click on these little three dots and go over to Manage. On Manage, select the option to verify files. What this is going to do is verify the integrity of the game files. Basically, it is going to scan all of the files that were downloaded by Fortnite and the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. If it scans all of these files and detects that any of them are missing or corrupted, they are going to be reacquired. And sometimes, if you don't have those files to begin with, the game will crash when you try to launch it. So with this process out of the way, try it to launch the game again. If it still doesn't work, then the next thing that I would recommend is that you close down any unused applications, especially Discord. For whatever reason, in recent months, a lot of people have started complaining about Discord giving them different crashes. So one of the best ways to fix this is by closing down Discord and, like I said, any other unnecessary applications. For this video, I'm not going to close anything because I'm currently recording, but you can also go over to your system tray and check to see if there are any processes running on the background, or open up the task manager and end tasks from here. Just make sure that you don't mess with anything that is really important for Windows to function. You can close down Spotify, especially Discord, Steam, and so on. The next thing that I would recommend is that you press Windows plus R, and this is going to bring up the Run window, or just look for Run on the Windows search. When you press Windows plus R or you go over to Run, type percentage local app data percentage. Press OK, and this is going to open up a new folder that you will be able to browse through, and you have to go to Fortnite game. Go over to Saved, Config, and then Windows Client. You will find this file here. All that you have to do is make a copy of this file, so you are now going to have Game User Settings copy, and you can delete this old one. Try opening up the game again, and it is going to generate a new Game User Settings file. You should be able to play without any issues. However, if it still doesn't work, then what I would recommend is that after you delete the old one, you rename this one to Game User Settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite crashing on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.